In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all the search history from your Grok account. So this is my Grok account, and here under history we see these are the history. Couple of history is there. There are more. So let's see how we can clear all the history from our Grok account. So to do this thing, at first we need to log in our account, and once we logged in our account, we'll see this type of icon of our account, and this is the account icon, you can say. So to delete anything, all the history, we just need to click over there, and it will bring this type of menu. From here we have to choose settings, and once we click here, then this type of window will be appeared. Now here we'll see all the account related information are there. To delete everything, we have to come this section. It is called data controls. I'm going to click over there, and very shortly it will be open like this type of options. We have to scroll at almost at the end, and from the end, second last is the delete on conversations. So to delete everything, we just need to press this delete button, and we have to come to this section under data controls. I'm going to click over delete, and very shortly it is asking us, are you sure? That means if we press now, then it will be removed. One more thing, if you delete everything now, then you'll see all history will be lost. You cannot recover those anymore. So I'm going to press this button, are you sure? Yes. And here it is going to delete everything instantly. Now I'm going to close this window, and now one more thing I need to do, I need to reload my Grok account basically on the browser, and after that we'll see, if we click history, there is nothing. And that's it. In this way we can easily clear or delete all the chat history from our Grok account.